Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. I know that it has been such a long time since I have last uploaded. It has been a couple months. I'm really sorry about that. It's just been really busy with school and things. So I wanted to do this video today because I felt that it was really important, and I felt that a lot of people needed to know this and to kind of just be more aware of it, so that they don't have the same mistake as me. Today's video is going to be a story time about how L'Oreal's Colorista Blue color completely destroyed my hair. In order to keep this video from being too long, I'm going to try and start right away without rambling. If you are not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down in the comment section any questions, remarks, anything that you would like to say. And we are going to hop right into this video. So just to give you guys a quick preliminary background of how my hair was before, I've been a natural for about a year. I transitioned my relaxer out over 8 months. I did not big chop. I was just able to transition somehow. The relaxer came out. I used perm rods, everything. My hair started to curl back up. I have not been natural with my hair dark. As soon as I got curls back, I went blonde right away. My hair is extremely healthy. I take very good care of it. My curl pattern is not damaged whatsoever. In fact, I have no product in my hair right now. I went swimming, I came out, and this is how it looked. My hair is not even styled. It was blonde for about blonde for about 4 or 5 months. I am very fickle with my hair colors, and it was just one of those days where I was like, I'm so over the blonde, the upkeep is so much. So I got a box dye, I colored my hair red, and literally the next day I was like, I regret this so much. I want to go back to blonde. Please. So I went to Sally's and I took my hair back to blonde, as you will see in this picture here. I did it over a 3-day course and my hair was very damaged. My curls were kind of stringy. This is a picture of how it looked after I finished the coloring and everything. I still had curls, which is why I'm telling you guys my hair is very strong. I had that color for about 2 weeks. My blonde was back. I was happy with it. It was good. So I had always used Colorista's pink. The pink had worked phenomenal for me. It had never damaged my hair, never anything. I would wash it out, it would come completely out. It was perfect. It was like the perfect thing for me to change my hair and to be able to wash it out. Then I went to LIC and I was like, oh well, I've always done pink. I want to add another color. And so I decided to put pink up here and blue down here. While I was applying it to my hair, I did notice that the blue stained this whitewashing that was on the back of the bathroom. I don't know why that wasn't a sign to me, like don't put this in your hair. I had it in for the day, and the very next day I went to wash it out. The pink came out of my hair, the blue turned a very strange turquoisey kind of green thing. And I was like, okay, well maybe the blue is going to be a little bit more difficult to get out. It won't wash out as fast as the pink, because the pink would sometimes take like 2 or 3 aggressive washes. I could get it out in one wash with shampoo, but sometimes it would linger in for a little bit and kind of have this weird brownie tinge. I could not get the green out with Head and Shoulders, nothing at all. This green was not coming out of my hair whatsoever. So that was when I was like, okay, well let me research to see how people got this out of their hair. And it was clear off of the rest of the videos that this was like the devil's product. Nobody could get it out of their hair. There was one lady that said she had it in there for like 2 years. And I was like, oh my goodness, I wish I had known this before I had done it. Obviously, I guess L'Oreal is aware of this issue. I don't know why they continue to keep this product up, knowing that it literally permanently colors your hair green. They tell people, oh, just bleach it out. So I went to Sally's and I was like, I really don't want to put bleach on my hair because, curly hair and bleach is not always the best method. I was like, is there another way that I can take this out? This lady was like, oh, here's this product. I don't exactly remember what it was. I'm going to look on the internet and see if I can figure out what it was, and I'll attach a picture here. At the moment, I don't remember what it was. She told me that this is supposed to not only remove semi-permanent hair colors, it would remove permanent hair colors. Like, this thing was aggressive. So she's like, if this can take out permanent hair colors, it's going to take out that thing. Like, you have nothing to worry about. It'll take it out. So I used this product, and it was still in my hair, and this is what it looked like afterwards. So clearly the green is still evident. As you can see, there is no pink on the top of my hair. It was just like this really weird lower half of my section was just green. I had this in my hair for about 3 weeks at this point. It was quite a while that I was trying to aggressively take this out with vitamin C washes, Head and Shoulders, everything that a Dawn soap I had used, it was not coming out. So finally, after about a month of having this, I was like, there is no way possible that I can get this color out of my hair without bleaching it. So I decided to bleach my hair, and I used L'Oreal's bleach, their Colorista bleach, which is supposed to prepare your hair in order to get it light enough to color. This was probably the worst mistake I could have ever made. I don't know what is wrong with L'Oreal's products. I highly do not suggest it. I bleached my hair with their Colorista packet. Not only did the green not come out, it came out maybe like the tiniest little bit. And this is bleach, you guys. Like, this is supposed to take the pigment out of your hair. It still could not get this green out of my hair. This is what it ended up looking like after I had used the bleach. It was not coming out, and my hair was like white. Like, I had platinum blonde hair. Bleach was so aggressive that it thinned my hair out so much. And I have the strongest hair possible. Like, I have colored my hair at one point. I think I had gone 8 or 9 different colors in a year, and my hair was still strong. So for this bleach to damage my hair to this extent was just ridiculous. So at this point I realized that bleaching it was not going to take it out. I was going to have to go over this color with another color. I was going to have to go darker. I purchased a L'Oreal. I don't know what was wrong with me, why I kept buying L'Oreal products. I was like, why are you buying so many L'Oreal products? I bought this kind of ashy brown hair color. It was so pretty on the box. And then I dyed my hair. My hair was like strings, and it was gray. Like a nasty, like trash gray. Like, my friends were like, this looks like garbage green gray. It was the worst color you could possibly imagine. I will show you guys pictures here. I cried the entire night. I thought my curls were completely just damaged. They were like strings. It was so bad. But then I washed it, you know, and I put the products in, and it kind of curled up. I had to cut about ½ an inch of my hair off, and this was all because of a washout hair color that's supposed to come out in 2 to 3 washes. So I don't know what's wrong with L'Oreal. I DM'd them and tried to explain everything to them and ask them questions. They won't answer. You hear people constantly replying on their Instagram post about it, like, I can't get this blue out of my hair, it's turned green, what am I supposed to do? They don't respond to anybody. They seem to completely ignore this product and just leave people like this, which I think is so irresponsible of a multi-million-dollar, probably billion-dollar company. Why do you have a product out like this and you don't, you know, I don't even know, like, put a warning on it, like, this might possibly stain your hair? If you want your hair to be green forever, put this in your hair, because it's never washing out. It won't bleach out. It won't do anything. It is going to stick to your hair. I would just, like, highly suggest to be careful with their products. It has scarred me to the point where I won't even use the pink anymore. Just won't touch any of their products again. This product honestly needs to be pulled off of the shelf. I don't know why it's still on there. I ended up having to fade the gray color thing that was in my hair out. This is the color that it has faded to. It took a lot of work to get my curls back and to get my color back to the way that I wanted it, all because of a color that's supposed to wash out. I just have to say to you guys, really, you have to research your products. Don't just put stuff into your hair, especially when you have curly hair. If you guys want a video on how I revitalized my curls, because I will show you guys, it was extremely damaged as opposed to what it is right now, I can make a video on that. But I hope this video helped you. I hope that maybe L'Oreal will see it and, I don't know, kind of make some changes with their products or some warning or something. I chose to make this video now because I wanted to have my hair recuperate from the time that it was damaged, and that was in January, and it is now May. So it took about 5 months to completely revitalize and get back to the way it was before. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment section below. and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe for more videos, and to follow all of my social media. It will be down in the description bar below, as well as my Instagram will be on here because, you know, that's the main place, as well as my Snapchat. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you, and stay away from L'Oreal. I'm just kidding. I'm sure L'Oreal has good products. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.